a hishi lá idirnáisiúnta na man is maslach a machas a mahe go bhfuil tú I Gealladh le cantina rúnda chúlaí téirmí ó híomh an Ospidéal Náisiúnta Máithreachais. On International Women's Day, Taoiseach, it is an absolute insult what you said to my colleague, that we should use private members' time. 3 occasions we've used it. 3 occasions unanimously the government, this Dáil has appealed to you in relation to a public hospital on public land. So on International Women's Day, can you commit to putting it down as a matter of urgency for full, open and frank debate?
Líon tíimleat go bhfuil sé maslach an éair, mar tá annach chuid ama don rasúra chun ábhar éagsúla a chur scór na dála agus iad a phlé, agus tá chans sin a bhuibh a chomáile sin. From our perspective, in terms of International Women's Day, to me the imperative is that we build a modern maternity hospital that can cater for the women of Ireland, and particularly in the region that the hospital would serve. Current hospital facilities are appalling. The debate has gone on for far too long. The consultants in the hospital, over 54, I think, wrote to the public media, making it very, very clear that all procedures and so on would be carried out in such a modern hospital.